Ahoy! I'm Nick Betancourt for the Beach Channel, and today we're out on the water. We're going to be talking to the president of the Advantage Yacht Charters and Sales, and we're going to be talking a little bit about how much fun you can actually have if you charter a yacht.
We are a charter company that focuses on providing our guests, our visitors, our neighbors, our friends, our locals to have the experience of seeing Miami at its fullest. Miami's great in the Ocean Drive, Lincoln Road, and things to do within the activities. Even at Sunset Harbor Yacht Club, where we're located, our office is located, there's water activities such as paddle boarding, jet skiing. So you can just connect yourself with the Bay Area, which is always calm waters and beautiful to enjoy. We make the experience of the wealthy become the norm. We want the average Joe to go out and feel what it is to have a yacht, go out in the yacht, experience the yacht, create the memories of the yacht without having to break the bank.
So we know that you have about 30 vessels in your fleet, but can you tell us a little bit more about the one that we're on now?
We are on the 51-foot Sea Ray 2016. Great vessel. They've designed it very, very slick. Spacious is a focus that Sea Ray put into it. 3 staterooms accommodating, galley, salon. It's a beautiful boat. One of our popular brands is the Sunseeker. We have a 72 Sunseeker, beautiful Manhattan, again with the flybridge with 3 staterooms, open galley, slick, sporty looking vessel that people like because whether you're inside the boat or you're outside the boat, you still feel a bit of the boat. A lot of people look at the yachting industry like it's the rich man's sport. I really want to change that. I think that the whole key of chartering a vessel is to pay a penny on the dollar and yet getting the same experience. And believe it or not, the best thing about it is you get on the boat, you cruise, you get off the boat, and you don't have to worry about it.
We had an amazing time out on the water today with the Advantage Yacht Charters and Sales. I'm already planning my personal charter. If you want to plan yours, I highly suggest you contact Antonio. And thank you for joining us with the Design District TV, and we'll see you next time.